Hello, I'm Chris Menard. In today's Excel video, I've got a column of data that's showing just seconds, and I want to convert that column to minutes and seconds with a colon in between the minutes and seconds. This video could also fall under Watch Chris Work category that I have, because listed on this spreadsheet is every YouTube video that we've published. There is over 1,000. But it also includes private, unlisted, and public. Public videos are 904 right now at the start of 2023. So let's go ahead and dive into this, because I want to actually see minutes and seconds. Here's my example. Cell R2 has got 165 seconds. If my math is right, 60 times 3 is 180, minus 15 is 165. I want to see next to it 2 minutes 45 seconds, because I don't want to have to keep doing the math on the video length of my videos. So here's the trick to this. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour, and then there's 24 hours in 1 day. So not required, but I'm gonna make this a table. Control and the letter T. Click OK, and now you got a table. Come over to column S, and I'm going to put in min seconds. That is going to create what's called a calculated column when I do my formula. So I'm going to take the number of seconds, and I'm going to divide that by 60 times 60 times 24. So we'll see if this works. And then we got to do some custom formatting. So equals whatever's in R2 divided by, open parent, 60 times 60 times 24. Those are the three numbers I just gave you. Here's your calculated column. When I press enter, it'll fill down the screen. Perfect. Don't worry about the formatting. I don't care about it. We're going to go and fix that real quick. Right click, and we're going to do format cells. You can also do control and the number 1. When format cells appear, just go to custom. There's your first cell that's selected, and there's your sample. Just get rid of whatever's in here. I want to see minutes, seconds here, in case some of my videos are long. Yeah, that works. M:SS. There's your 2:45. That was the math I did in my head, so perfect. There you go right there. Quick test, if I make this 180 seconds, it goes to 3 minutes. So there's your formula. Really easy formula, and then use custom formatting with minutes and seconds on it. Feel free to subscribe, click the bell to get notified, and have a great day. I appreciate your time.